Kopa, a resident of the UK, undertook a brief trip to Malmö, Sweden, lasting only 12 hours, with a total budget of around $130. This trip is an example of the popular fast travel trend in Europe, where travelers explore cities in a day without needing an overnight stay. On September 23rd, Adelina departed from Bristol and landed in Copenhagen, Denmark. From there, she took a train to Malmö, Sweden, spending a total of 100 GBP, about $130, including flights, train fare, and food. Exploring Malmö. Upon arrival in Malmö, Adelina spent her day walking around the city, covering over 23,700 steps. She visited parks, squares, and even a beach. One of her stops was the local food market, where she enjoyed bruschetta with fish pâté, cured meats, and some pastries for lunch. Unfortunately, the city's castle was closed, but she still explored its gardens. Adelina also visited the city library and nearby parks. Later, she relaxed on the beach, where the warm weather, at 21 degrees Celsius, made her short stay even more enjoyable. Culinary highlights. The highlight of Adelina's trip was her dinner at Spoonery, a well-known Malmö restaurant, where she indulged in traditional Swedish meatballs. This meal was something she had eagerly anticipated, adding a perfect finishing touch to her whirlwind tour. Fast travel. Movement. Adelina's journey is a prime example of fast travel, a growing trend of short, one-day trips with minimal planning and no overnight stay. Adelina enjoys these kinds of trips because they offer a quick and inexpensive way to experience new cities. She spent just £16, about $20, on food, which included street food and the famous meatballs. Since the summer of 2023, Adelina has visited several major cities like Copenhagen, Malaga, Monaco, Dublin, and Edinburgh, each for under 100 GBP. She plans to continue these trips, possibly visiting another Swedish city, inspired by the online extreme day tripper community. Future plans and reflections. For Adelina, the best part about these short trips is the low cost and the lack of extensive planning. With only a small budget and a love for adventure, she's found a way to explore new places without needing to commit a lot of time or money. These trips give her a refreshing break from routine and let her discover different parts of the world quickly and affordably.